Hi! No, it's been like 2 or 4 years since I made that AMBW video. So you guys had a lot of questions about it, and I thought it's probably time to update everybody on what happened. So, to make a long story short, we are not together anymore, but not because of his mom. In the end, it's quite funny. Me and his mom actually ended up getting along pretty well. She actually ended up being funny, and so that allowed us to have like a common ground and be able to joke around and stuff. And then all his family is wonderful. And me and his sister, she became like my little sister, and his sister has children, and her kids are just wonderful. And I still see them all the time. So, but it's funny how we broke up. I decided to go back to school. I wanted to be a designer, and it's something where it's like you only get one life to live. And I had already been to school for chemistry, and I just decided to go back and follow my dreams. Unfortunately, that took a lot of time away from the relationship, and that was something he couldn't handle. He wanted to be together more, and I pretty much spend my life at school and or work, and when I'm not at work, I'm in school. When I'm at school, I'm doing homework assignments or some sort of project or something's going on. So in the end, it ended up being like a time factor that decided our fate. So, but it was a mutual breakup, and I am single. I only focus on school and work right now and just getting my life together. And yeah, so that's it. If you guys have any more questions about it, you can let me know. It was a wonderful relationship. We got along very well. And yeah, so have a blessed day and be encouraged. Bye.